Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. So there are two videos. This is the part 2. The part 1 is from Binance to OKX, and this is the part 2 from OKX to Binance. So first you can open your Binance apps, and then you can go to your asset here in the bottom right corner. And then as you can see, there is advanced. You can click it. You can choose on-chain deposit. And then you can search USDT. And after that, you can choose the network. I will choose Aptos here for the cheapest one. And this is my Aptos USDT Aptos wallet address. I will copy it. And I'm going to my OKX account. Okay, in this page, you can just click withdraw here. And then you can click withdraw crypto here. Then you can choose the token. I will choose USDT. Then choose exchange here. Then you can choose the network, because in the Binance I choose Aptos. I will choose Aptos also here. If you choose different network, your crypto will be gone. So Aptos, and I will paste my wallet. So from this, I will copy it. I copy it. After that, I paste it here. Okay, and choose the amount and white, and the fee is very cheap. So yeah, submit. Okay, confirm. Verify it. Okay, it will take a few minutes, so I will skip this part and I will show you the result. Okay guys, as you can see, after around 2 minutes, my USDT just land on my Binance account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.